Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to rename your AirPods on your iPhone. So here I have AirPods, they're already connected to my phone, and if I want to rename them, so like the name appears different, for example in Bluetooth, so right now they're named like this. So if I want to rename them, I'm just going to go to settings, go to our AirPods, so this is what they're named right now, and then we're going to scroll to the name, just press on that, and here we are going to change the name. So I'm just going to rename it to something, for example test. Let's just do that, and now once I exit out, the name is going to be changed. So everywhere the name is going to be changed, like Bluetooth, when you pair your AirPods, they're going to be changed to that name. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.